Hello guys, this is your boy Fluffy Peanuts. We're going to go over the 5 things you should do to grow your community and what not to do, okay? Alright, this is all going to be mixed into one, alright? There's going to be 5 things total. Okay, number one, figure out what platform you want to stream on. Test the waters a little bit with all 3 of them before you become affiliated with all of them. Alright, with any of them. Okay, that's including Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever it may be, okay? Number two, what you should do is do some social medias, okay? Do social networking. All right, create social medias for your streaming channel, okay? So the 3 that I recommend: Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. That's the one I get the most stuff from, okay? Most people interacting with me and coming from, I should say. All right. Number 3, do not do follow for follow. All right, follow for follower is fake support, okay? Those people are not going to come to your stream. They're not going to watch your content. 9 times out of 10, they're not going to, okay? 9 times out of 10, they're going to unfollow you, okay, once you follow them back. All right, I get it. You're going to need a certain amount of followers to be able to stream on these platforms. That's fine. Do it that way. But after that, I highly recommend stop doing it because you're not going to get anybody coming from them, all right? Very rarely does anybody come and stop by after they follow you, all right? From off of one of those follow for follows. Okay, number 4, what you're gonna need to do is get some good streaming equipment. Okay, at least have a mic. And eventually get a webcam. Okay, people are gonna want to see your pearly face. Okay, all right, and they're gonna want to hear your voice. Nobody likes a freaking stream that doesn't have anybody talking. It's very stagnant and boring. Okay, you gotta think what your viewers are gonna think. Okay, if they're gonna think it's boring, then most likely it's gonna be boring. All right, and then get your Elgato capture card as well. All right, because I know a lot of people are going to start off. They're going to start off wanting to stream off of their console, okay, onto a PC to get a Streamlabs OBS, which I highly recommend doing if that's how you're going to do it. Buy a cheap pre-built computer, $600, $800. Make sure it just has at least a graphics card in it, and specifically says it. Make sure you have good internet speed. You need at least 20 upload. Is what I recommend. All right. Number 5. Make sure you find people to stream with or to play games with constantly that are entertaining and that you guys get along. All right, no bad vibes or anything from the people that you play with. All right, make sure they know good streaming etiquette. All right, so that's my 5 right there. So go check me out on Twitch. It's gonna be a link right here underneath this video feed. All right, if you got any questions, leave comments down below. Make sure you like and share. Okay, and look me up on all the other social medias. I'm all there. You'll be able to find it. Just type in exactly my name here. All right. So with that being said, see y'all later. Till next time. Gang, gang.